Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by making the change visible and safe. First, enable file name extensions so you can see and edit the suffix. On Windows, open View and check File Name Extensions. On Mac OS, use Finder Preferences. Next, make a duplicate of the file to avoid data loss. This protects you if the conversion fails. Once done, identify the current extension and the one you want. Write them down so you don't accidentally remove the wrong characters when renaming. Now you perform the actual rename step with care. You can right-click and choose Rename, or press F2 on Windows. On Mac OS, click the name and edit the suffix after the dot. Replace only the extension characters. Do not delete the dot or base name. When the system warns you about changing the extension, confirm only if you have a backup. Make sure to observe the file icon and try opening it with the appropriate app to verify behavior before proceeding further. Finish by verifying the file works in its new form. You should open it in the expected application. If it opens, you're done. If the app rejects it, make sure you didn't only rename but actually convert when necessary and restore your backup if needed. Use a dedicated converter for format changes or inspect the file signature with a hex viewer to see its true type. If problems persist, research the correct conversion steps, and then try again methodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.